Today we're going to show you how to do a quick change out of a bag on a lawnmower. As you can see, ours here has got quite the tear in it and it's starting to deteriorate. So we're going to show you a quick, easy, and pretty inexpensive way to change out your bag on your lawnmower. Alright, first off, we're just going to take off the old bag here, and then I'm going to show you on this model where the serial number is. So on this particular model, once you have the bag off, and you open this up, and this right here has the model number and the serial number on it. So you're going to want to write down the model number and then basically go on your computer, go to Amazon, put in the model number, and find a bag that's going to fit this model of lawnmower. Alright, so we've ordered the new one, and what we're basically do is take this old bag off of here, and it's really easy. Basically, you just have to disengage these clips. That hold it in place. This one's going to slide up and around this way. We're going to take the old bag off. So there's the old bag, and then we have the frame that we're going to reuse with the new bag. Alright, so here we've got our brand new bag. Now this is an aftermarket bag, so it doesn't say, doesn't have the emblem TORO on it, but it's supposed to be an exact fit to the old one. So basically it's kind of was rolled up in the package, so let's get it kind of smoothed out, and basically we're just going to stick the rack back into it, and then these are all just going to clip on. It'll be a little bit harder to clip on than when they took off, because these are new and they're going to be tight. Almost there. And the bottom one on. That's it. The bag's all ready. Let's put it back on the lawnmower and see how it fits. Okay, so let's put this back on the lawnmower. And it fits right on there. Just like new again. That'll help fall once it's gets a little grass in it. We were able to do this. I believe this was only about under $35. So it's like a brand new lawnmower for me again.